Unusual objects in the solar system. Why Neptune's moon, Triton, is so mysterious. Welcome to the Space Diary channel. Before watching, I want to ask you to help our channel by liking and subscribing. Neptune's largest moon is the 7th largest satellite in the solar system. Neptune has 14 satellites, some of which orbit the planet very closely and have regular orbits, while others are further away and have elongated and retrograde orbits rather than circular ones. Among them is Neptune's largest moon, Triton, which still hides many mysteries and is a very strange object. Triton was first discovered back in 1846, but it was only in 1989 that astronomers first obtained close-up images of Neptune's moon. These images were taken by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. Although the spacecraft was only able to capture images of 40% of Triton's surface, the new data showed how strange the moon is. Triton is not just the largest moon of Neptune and the 7th largest moon in the solar system, but also it is 200 times larger than the other 13 moons of the icy giant combined. Triton is one of Neptune's moons that has a retrograde orbit. This means that it rotates in the opposite direction to Neptune's rotation and its orbit is tilted by 67 degrees. In other words, Triton's orbit is almost perpendicular to its host planet. On the other hand, although Triton is one of Neptune's satellites with an irregular orbit, it is surprisingly very circular. Scientists believe that this is one of the most ideal circular orbits among all objects in the solar system. As for the satellite's surface, it is mostly uneven with various hills, but there are also wide plains. In the southern part of Triton, there is a large nitrogenous polar ice cap, where dozens of cryovolcanoes are located. However, there are not many craters on the surface of Triton, which means that the effects of these impact events can disappear under the influence of internal processes. In other words, there is seismic activity here. Based on all of the above, why is Triton such a mysterious moon? The main theory is that it was not formed next to Neptune, but the planet simply stole it. Scientists believe that Triton, which looks more like Pluto than any other moon in the solar system, appeared in the Kuiper belt far from Neptune. Billions of years ago, Neptune used its gravitational position to attract it and forced it to live in a new place. As for its unusual orbit, Triton was either just unlucky in this regard, or it collided with another moon of Neptune, which led to this rotation. As for the seismic activity, scientists believe that Triton has enough radioactive elements inside to generate heat. This heat turns water, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen ice into slush, and thus maintains an active young surface. Some scientists even suggest that Triton may have an ocean of liquid water inside. Unfortunately, neither NASA nor other space agencies are planning to send missions to Neptune's moons, so it may not be possible to fully unravel the mysteries of Triton soon. Was this video interesting for you? Please share your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for more interesting videos.